friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS ProArt Display PA248 with USB Type-C. So friend, the 24.1-inch WUXGA liquid crystal display ProArt Display PA248C for creators with USB Type-C connector and a maximum output of 90 watt was introduced by ASUS. And friend, the LCD panel is an IPS system that can show a wide color gamut of sRGB 100% and recording 70900%, which are international color standard. And furthermore, the factory calibration achieves color accuracy of less than delta E2, brightness 300 kelvin per meter square, contrast ratio 1000 gem1, reaction speed 5 millisecond, frame rate 75 Hz, display color 16.7 million colors, and horizontal or vertical viewing angle of 178 degree. And the interface include DisplayPort 1.2 into 2, HDMI 1.4 into 1, USB Type-C into 1, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A hub into 1, headphone jack into 1, and other features. And friend, the stand has a tilt range of -5 to 35 degree, a swivel range of -90 to 90 degree, pivot range of -90 to 90 degree, and a height range of 0 to 130 mm. And the VESA mounter has a pitch of 100 into 100 mm. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.